Hello everyone, welcome to Aakruthi, Art of Mathematics, Simple Mathematics Classes. I am Sudhir MK. In this class, I am explaining competitive questions from Application of Differentiation, and this is competitive class 2. Please subscribe the channel, also like and share this video. We discuss question number 15. So if law of motion in a straight line is s equal to half vt, then acceleration is. So here s equal to half vt, you have to find acceleration. So whether it is constant or proportional to t, or it is proportional to v, or it is proportional to s. So here you have to find acceleration is proportional to which quantity. So here it is given s equal to half vt. We can take 2 to other side and we can write 2s equal to vt. So here we differentiate with respect to t. It is 2 into s differentiation is ds by dt equal to v into t. So you have to use uv rule here. So here v into, so differentiation of t is 1. So we get v into 1 plus t into differentiation of v is dv by dt. So we get 2 into ds by dt equal to v into 1 plus t into dv by dt. So now we have ds by dt, that is rate of change of displacement is velocity. So we get 2v. So we get 2v equal to v plus t into dv by dt, taking v to other side. So we get 2v minus v equal to t into a. So this is dv by dt, rate of change of velocity is acceleration. So we get 2v minus v equal to t into a. So here a is acceleration. So now 2v minus v is v. We get v equal to a into t. So here a is acceleration and t is time. So now differentiate again. So we get dv by dt equal to a into t. So here a is acceleration, t is time. Both are variables. So again you have to use uv rule. So when we use uv rule, we get a into differentiation of t is 1 plus t into differentiation of a is dA by dt. So we get dv by dt equal to a plus t into dA by dt. Now here again dv by dt, rate of change of velocity is acceleration, and here a is also acceleration. So we get a equal to a plus t into dA by dt. So now taking a to other side, so we get a minus a equal to t into dA by dt. So here we get a minus a is 0. So therefore 0 equal to t into dA by dt. So therefore t equal to 0 or dA by dt equal to 0, but t equal to 0 is not possible. So therefore we have to get dA by dt equal to 0. So that is time equal to 0 is not possible here. So we get dA by dt equal to 0. So dA by dt equal to 0 implies a is a constant. So therefore a is a constant. That means acceleration is a constant. So which is option A. So here we get dA by dt equal to 0. So this implies a is a constant. Therefore here acceleration is a constant. So which is option A. So next question, question number 16. A cylindrical tank of radius 10 meter is being filled with water at the rate of 314 cubic meter per hour. The depth of the water is increasing at the rate of. So here it is given a cylindrical tank of radius 10 meter is filled by water at the rate of 314 cubic meter. That is change in volume is 314 cubic meter per hour. So we have to find rate of change of depth. So it is rate of change of height of the water level. So you have to find dH by dt. Consider a cylinder of radius 10 meter. So here radius is 10 meter and it is constant. So in cylinder, so radius is always constant. So when water is filled, only h is changing. So radius remains same. So radius remains same. So you have to find dH by dt. So here we have to use volume of cylinder formula. So V equal to pi r square h. But here r value is 10. So we get 10 square equal to 100. So we get V equal to 100 pi h. So it is V equal to 100 pi h. So when we differentiate this, we get dv by dt is 100 pi is constant and h differentiation is dh by dt. Now substitute all the values. It is given that dv by dt is 314. So therefore we get 314 equal to 100 into pi value. We take pi value as 3.14 into dh by dt. Now 100 into 3.14 is 314. So we have to find dh by dt. So we take 314 to denominator. So we get 314 divided by 314 equal to dh by dt. So therefore dh by dt is 1 meter per hour. That is rate of change of depth of the water is 1 meter per hour, which is option A. So here we get dH by dt is 314 divided by 314, which is 1 meter per hour. So which is option A. Important in cylinder, radius remains same. So therefore we can directly substitute r equal to 10 here. So we get V equal to 100 pi into h. And we get dH by dt equal to 1 meter per hour. So which is option A. So next question, question number 17. Water is dripping out at a steady rate of 1 cc per second through a tiny hole at the vertex of the conical vessel of semi-vertical angle pi by 6. The rate of decrease of slant height when the slant height of the water in the vessel is 4 centimeter. So here it is given water is dripping out at the steady rate of 1 cc per second. That is dV by dt is given. So dV by dt is 1 cc per second through a tiny hole at the vertex of the conical vessel of semi-vertical angle pi by 6. So first we draw diagram. So we take semi-vertical angle is pi by 6. So that is this angle is pi by 6. So semi-vertical angle is pi by 6. Now question is to find the rate of change of slant height. So we have to find rate of change of slant height of the water in the vessel. So when slant height is 4 centimeter, we have to find rate of change of decrease in the slant height when slant height of the water is 4 centimeter. We take here h is the height of the water at any time t, and r is the radius and L is the slant height. So we know that when water is filled into the cone, its height is also changing, radius is also changing, slant height is also changing. So all these are variable. That is h is also variable, r is also variable, L is also variable. Now question is to find dl by dt. So you have to find dl by dt equal to how much? That is rate of change of slant height. First we have to find the relation between slant height and the volume. So since we have v equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h, so there is no direct relation between volume and slant height. First we find the relation between volume and slant height. So from figure we have sine pi by 6. Sine theta is opposite side by hypotenuse. So we can write sine pi by 6 is r divided by L. So therefore we get r equal to half into L. So that is sine 30 degrees. Sine 30 degrees half. So we get r equal to half into L. So that is L by 2. That is r equal to L by 2. Also we apply cos theta. So that is cos pi by 6. So cos pi by 6 is h divided by L. So that is adjacent side by hypotenuse. We have cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. So therefore we get h equal to L into root 3 by 2. So it is root 3 L divided by 2. So therefore here r value is L by 2 and h value is root 3 L divided by 2. So next here it is given dV by dt is 1 cc per second, and we have formula v equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. So that is volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h, and we substitute here for r and h values. That is r values L by 2. So here we get L square divided by 4. So that is r square value is L square divided by 4. And h value is root 3 L divided by 2. So when we simplify this, so here we have 3. So 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. So 1 root 3 get cancelled. And here L square into L is L cube into pi. So we get pi L cube divided by 4 to the 8. And 1 root 3 is remaining. So we get pi L cube divided by 8 root 3. So therefore here v can be written as pi L cube divided by 8 root 3. So we have v equal to pi L cube divided by 8 root 3. Now differentiate with respect to t. So when we differentiate with respect to t, so we get dv by dt equal to, so here pi divided by 8 root 3 is a constant. So it is pi divided by 8 root 3 is a constant, and L cube differentiation is 3L square into dl by dt. So here L is also variable. So therefore we have to differentiate L also. So we get pi divided by 8 root 3 into 3L square into dl by dt. Now question is to find dl by dt. Now here 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. So 1 root 3 get cancelled. So therefore dl by dt is 8 divided by root 3 by L square. So taking this 8 to numerator and 3L square and root 3 to denominator. So we get 8 divided by root 3 pi L square. So that is dl by dt. So dl by dt is 8 divided by root 3 pi L square. But question is to find dl by dt when L equal to 4 centimeter. So therefore dl by dt when L equal to 4 centimeter equal to L divided by root 3 into 16 pi. So that is substitute L value. So L square is 4 square. 4 square is 16. So here 8 ones are and 8 twos are. So we get 1 by 2 root 3 pi. So it is 1 by 2 root 3 pi. So which is option B. So correct option is 1 by 2 root 3 pi centimeter per second. That is slant height is changing at the rate of 1 by 2 root 3 pi centimeter per second. So which is option B. So next question, question number 18. Water is dripping out from a conical funnel of semi-vertical angle pi by 4 at a uniform rate of 2 centimeters square per second in the surface area. So here water is dripping out from the surface area at the rate of 2 centimeters square per second. The rate of decrease of slant height when slant height of the cone is 4 centimeter. Here it is given ds by dt is 2 centimeters square per second. Question is to find dl by dt. So you have to find rate of change of slant height. So first we draw diagram. So here it is given that semi-vertical angle is pi by 4. So here this angle is pi by 4. We take L as the slant height and h as the height and r as the radius of the water at any time t. So here at any time t we take L is the slant height and h is the height and r is the radius of the water. So now here we have sine pi by 4. So sine 45. Sine theta is opposite side by hypotenuse. So we can write sine pi by 4 equal to r divided by L. So we can write sine pi by 4 equal to r by L. So therefore r can be written as L by root 2. So here r equal to L by root 2. That is sine 45 is 1 by root 2. So we take L to this side. So we get r equal to L by root 2. And here it is given that ds by dt equal to 2 centimeter square per second. So that is water is dripping out from the surface at the rate of 2 centimeter square per second. So now here we have formula surface area. It is S equal to pi RL. So here we have surface area formula S equal to pi RL, and we substitute for R value. So R value is L by root 2. So here R value is L by root 2. So therefore when we substitute we get pi into L by root 2 into L. It is pi L square divided by root 2. So now differentiate this with respect to t. So we get ds by dt equal to pi by root 2 is constant and L square differentiation is 2L into dl by dt. So it is L square differentiation, it is 2L into dl by dt. And here 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2 and 1 root 2 get cancelled. So therefore we get pi into root 2L into dl by dt. So when we simplify this, we have to find dl by dt, and ds by dt is 2. So here when we substitute this, 2 divided by root 2 pi L. And again 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. So 1 root 2 get cancelled. So we get dl by dt equal to root 2 divided by pi L. That is dl by dt equal to root 2 divided by pi L. So that is this 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. So 1 root 2 get cancelled here. Therefore dl by dt is root 2 divided by pi L. But here question is to find dl by dt when L equal to 4 centimeter. So therefore dl by dt when L equal to 4 centimeter is root 2 divided by 4 pi. So it is root 2 divided by 4 pi, which is option B. So here dl by dt when L equal to 4 is root 2 by 4 pi, which is option B. So that is rate of change of slant height is root 2 divided by 4 pi centimeter per second, which is option B. So next question number 19. Two men A and B start with velocity v at the same time from the junction of two roads inclined at 45 degree to each other. If they travel by different roads, the rate at which they being separated is. So here two men A and B start with same velocity v from one point into different roads which are inclined at an angle 45 degree. So we have to find rate of change of their being separated. So here also we first draw diagram. So we consider two roads. So this is starting point, and here these are two roads which is separated by an angle 45 degrees. That is angle between two roads is 45 degrees. So two roads inclined at an angle 45 degrees. So here it is given angle between two roads is 45 degree, and we take at any time t. So they are at a distance of y from the starting point, and they are separated by x units. So they are separated by x units, and they are at a distance of y from the starting point. Now we draw one perpendicular from midpoint of x to vertex. So here we get x by 2. So we get this distance is x by 2, and this angle is pi by 8. So total angle is pi by 4, and we get this angle is pi by 8. So here first we find relation between y and x. So here we have angle 90 degree, and here we have angle pi by 8. So in this triangle we can write sine pi by 8. So sine pi by 8 is sine theta is opposite side. It is x by 2 divided by hypotenuse. So it is y. So therefore sine pi by 8 can be written as x by 2 divided by y, and take y to other side. So we can write x by 2 equal to y into sine pi by 8. So this is relation between x and y. So therefore we can write x by 2 equal to y into sine pi by 8. Now here it is given. So they are moving with the velocity v. So that is dy by dt is v. So we take dy by dt is v, and here we have to find dx by dt. So that is at what rate they are being separated. So you have to find rate of change of this distance. So we have to find dx by dt. So when we differentiate this, x by 2, so here x differentiation is dx by dt, and 1 by 2 is constant. We have to differentiate with respect to t. So it is 1 by 2 into dx by dt equal to y differentiation is dy by dt, and sine pi by 8 is constant. So we get 1 by 2 into dx by dt equal to dy by dt into sine pi by 8. And here it is given dy by dt is v. So therefore taking 2 to this side, so we get dx by dt is 2v into sine pi by 8. So we get dx by dt is 2v into sine pi by 8. So which is option A. So here we get dx by dt is 2v into sine pi by 8. If you know the value of sine pi by 8, you can substitute. So sine pi by 8. So that is sine of 22 and half. Sine of 22 and half is so root of 2 minus root 2 divided by 2. So here 2 to get cancelled. So we get v into root of 2 minus root 2. So this is sine 22 and half value. But here sine of pi by 8 value is not substituted. So therefore here we get dx by dt equal to 2v into sine of pi by 8. So which is option A. Therefore the rate at which they are being separated is 2v into sine of pi by 8 units per second. So which is option A. So next question number 20. A kite is moving horizontally at the height of 151.5 meter with the speed of kite is 10 meter per second. That is, kite is moving horizontally at the height of 151.5 meter at the speed of 10 meter per second. When the kite is 250 meter away from the boy of height 1.5 meter who is flying the kite, the string being let out with the speed. We have to find the rate at which the string is being let out. So here also we draw the diagram. So the diagram will be like this. So it is given a boy of height 1.5 meter. A boy is of height 1.5 meter and kite is at a height of 151.5 meter from the ground. So therefore this total distance. So total distance is 151.5. But here this distance is 1.5. So when we subtract 151.5 minus 1.5, so that is this distance. So this distance is 150 meters. That is from here to here it is 150. Total distance is 151.5 and we have to subtract this distance which is 1.5. So we get this height is 150. And you consider the kite is moving horizontally. So kite is moving horizontally at the rate of 10 meter per second. So we take this distance as x here. So therefore this distance as x here. Therefore rate of change of x is 10 meter per second. That is dx by dt is 10 meter per second. And we take this distance. So we take this distance as y. So here we have to find dy by dt. So this is the length of the string. So we have to find at what rate string is being let out. So that is we have to find dy by dt. So that is dy by dt equal to how much? We have to find dy by dt. So this is diagram for given problem. So here from diagram we can write x square plus 150 square equal to y square. So first we find relation between x and y. So here this angle is 90 degrees. So therefore we can write x square plus 150 square equal to y square and dx by dt is 10 meter per second. That is kite is moving horizontally. That is x is changing. So x is changing at the rate of 10 meter per second. So dx by dt is 10 meter per second. Now here it is given kite is 250 meter from the boy. So that is y equal to 250. You have to find x values. So when y equal to 250, what is x value? We substitute here. That is when y equal to 250, we get x square equal to y square. Y square value is 250 square minus 150 square. We have 25 square. 25 square is 625 and here we have to add 2 zeros minus 15 square is 225. It is 225 and 2 zeros. When we subtract 62,500 minus 22,500, we get 40,000. We get x square equal to 40,000. So this implies x equal to 200. That is when y equal to 250, x value is 200. So when we differentiate this equation, that is we have to find dy by dt. So differentiate x square plus 150 square equal to y square. So we get 2x into dx by dt and 150 square is constant. So we get 0 and y square differentiation is 2y into dy by dt. So differentiate this equation. So we get 2x into dx by dt equal to 2y into dy by dt. Now substitute all the values. We have to find dy by dt. So here 2 to get cancelled. So we get dy by dt is x divided by y into dx by dt and x value is 200 and y value is 250 and dx by dt value is 10. So when we substitute all this, we get 8. So which is option B. So here correct option is option B. So here dy by dt is x divided by y into dx by dt. So x value is 200 and y value is 250 into dx by dt value is 10. So we get 200 divided by 250 into 10. So which is 8. So therefore correct option is option B. So next it is approximation. Now first we see formula. If y equal to f of x, then we have dy by dx equal to f dash x. But f dash x can be written as limit of f of x plus delta x minus f of x divided by delta x, where delta x tends to 0. In approximation, we will not consider full values. So therefore, we will not apply this limit and we write f dash x equal to f of x plus delta x minus f of x divided by delta x. So therefore, in approximation, we write f dash x equal to f of x plus delta x minus f of x divided by delta x. So from this, we can solve for f of x plus delta x. So therefore, f of x plus delta x can be written as f of x plus f dash x into delta x. So taking f of x to other side, we get plus f of x, and here taking delta x to other side, we get f dash x into delta x. So therefore, we get f of x plus delta x is f of x plus f dash x into delta x. So this is formula for approximation value. That is f of x plus delta x can be written as f of x plus f dash x into delta x. So we solve next problem. It is problem number 21 and it is from CET 2019. The approximate value of root of 24.99 is, we have to find approximate value of root of 24.99. So here it is to find root of 24.99. So therefore we take f of x equal to root x. So since here it is given in root, so we take f of x as root x. So when we differentiate this, f dash x equal to root x differentiation is 1 by 2 root x. So we take f of x equal to root x and its differentiation is 1 by 2 root x. Here it is given to find root of 24.99. So we know that root of 25 value exists and it is equal to 5. So we take x equal to 25. So we take x equal to 25 whose root exists. So here x equal to 25, but here it is given 24.99. So that is x plus delta x. So therefore delta x value is minus 0.11. So here x value is 25. Therefore delta x value is 24.99 minus 25, which is minus 0.11. So here delta x value is minus 0.11. So then we have formula f of x plus delta x, that is root of 24.99. It is same as f of x, that is f of x is root x. It is root x and x value is 25. So it is root of 25 plus f dash x. So f dash x is 1 by 2 root x and here x value is 25 into delta x and delta x value is minus 0.11. So therefore we get root of 24.99 equal to f of x, that is root x, plus and x value is 25 plus 1 by 2 root x, that is x value is 25. So we get 1 by 2 root 25 into delta x, it is minus 0.01 and here root 25 value is 5. So we get 5 plus 1 by 5 into 2 is 10 into minus 0.01. So which is same as 5 minus 0.001 and it is 5 minus 0.001 is 4.999. So therefore root of 24.99 is 4.999. So which is option B. So here approximate value of root of 24.99 is 4.999. So which is option B. So next question number 22. Approximate value of f of x equal to 2x cube plus 7x plus 1 at x equal to 2.001 is. If we substitute directly, we have to find 2.001 whole cube value, and also it is difficult. So instead of that, we use approximate value. So here we take x equal to 2 and delta x is 0.001. And here it is given f of x is 2x cube plus 7x plus 1. Therefore its differentiation f dash x is 2x square plus 7 and one differentiation is 0. So it is f dash x is 2x square plus 7 and here we take x equal to 2. So then delta x is 0.001. So we have formula f of x plus delta x, that is f of 2.001 can be written as f of x, that is f of 2 here, plus f dash x. So that is f dash 2 into delta x. Now here f of x plus delta x is f of 2.001 equal to f of x. F of x is 2x cube plus 7x plus 1 plus f dash x. F dash x is x square plus 7 into delta x. Delta x is 0.001. So this is x plus delta x value. That is x plus delta x is 2.001. So but we are taking x equal to 2. So therefore delta x is 0.001. When we substitute here, we get f of 2.001 is 2x cube plus 7x plus 1, that is f of x plus f dash x, it is x square plus 7 into delta x is 0.001. So when we substitute x equal to 2 here, so substitute x equal to 2. So we get 2 cube is 8, 8 into 2 16, 7 into 2 is 14 and plus 1. So we get 16 plus 14 which is 30, 30 plus 1 31. That is f of 2 is 31. And here also we substitute x equal to 2. So we get 2 square, 2 square is 4, 4 into 6, 4 into 6 is 24, 24 plus 7 is 31 and 0.001 as it is. So we get 31 plus 31 into 0.001. So which is 31.031. So which is option C. So here correct option is option C. That is approximate value of f of x equal to 2x cube plus 7x plus 1 at x equal to 2.001 is 31.031. So which is option C. So next question number 23, and it is from CET 2018. Approximate change in the volume V of a cube of side x meters caused by increasing the side by 3% is. So you have to find approximate change in the volume, that is delta V. We have to find delta V when side is changing at the rate of 3%. Here side is increasing at the rate of 3%. So we have formula volume of cube. So volume of cube is x cube, and when we differentiate we get dv by dx equal to 3x square. So v equal to x cube. So therefore dv by dx equal to 3x square, and here it is delta x. So change in side is 3 by 100 of x. That is side is changing at 3%. So that is 3 by 100 of x. That is side is changing at 3%. So we have to take 3 by 100 of x. So it is 3 by 100 of x here. You have to write 3 by 100 of x. That is change in side. Now we find delta V value. So delta V can be written as delta V divided by delta X into delta X. But in approximation, we take delta V by delta X as dV by dx into delta X. Therefore, delta V can be written as dV by dx into delta X. And dV by dx value is 3x square and delta X value is 3 by 100x. So when we simplify this, we get 3 into 3 is 9. X square into x is x cube. So we get 9x cube divided by 100. So which is same as 0.09 x cube. So which is option A. So we get change in the volume. Delta V equal to 0.09 x cube meter cube. So which is option A. So here change in the volume is 0.09 x cube meter cube. So next question number 24, and this is from CET 2020. If the side of a cube is increased by 5%, then the surface area of a cube is increased by, so it is 60%, 6%, 20% and 10%. So here it is given that the side of a cube is increased by 5%. So we take delta x equal to 5 by 100 of x. So that is change in this side. So we have to find percentage increase of surface area. So we take surface area formula S equal to 6x square. We have surface area 6x square. When we differentiate this, we get ds by dx equal to 12x. So next we have to find delta S. So delta S can be done as delta S divided by delta x into delta x. So delta S can be written as delta S divided by delta x into delta x. So in approximation, we can write delta S by delta x as ds by dx. In approximation, we write delta S by delta x as ds by dx into delta x as it is. And here we have ds by dx. So ds by dx is 12x and delta x is 5x divided by 100. When we multiply this, we get 12 into 5 is 60 and x into x is x square divided by 100. So it is 60x square divided by 100. So it is delta S is 60x square divided by 100. But in option it is given 60%, 6%, 20% and 10%. So these options are actually wrong. So here it is not 60%. So it should be 60% of x square, that is 60% of side square. Or it is, we can write 60x square as 10 into 6x square divided by 100 as it is. So we get 10 by 100 of 6x square. And here 6x square is same as surface area. So therefore we can write 10 by 100 of S. So here we can write 10 by 100 of S. So therefore here surface area is changing at the rate of 10% of surface area. So here rate of change of surface area is 10% of S. So here it should be 10% of S, or it is 60% of x square. So that is change in surface area is 10% of S, or it is 60% of x square, where in option it is not mentioned. So therefore it is 10% of surface area. So therefore it is option D. So here we can write it as 10% of surface area. So next question number 25. In finding the volume of a cube having an edge 3 meters, an error of 2 cm is made in measuring the edge. So then percentage error in the measurement of volume is, you have to find percentage error in the measurement of volume. So volume is measured with an error of 2 cm. So you have to find percentage error in the measurement of volume. So here we have x equal to 3 meters, that is side is 3 meters, error in the edge is 2 centimeters, that is delta x is 2 centimeter. And since here we have in meters, so here also we convert into meters. So therefore delta x is 0.02 meters. It is 2 divided by 100, it is 0.02 meters. We have formula for volume of a cube. So volume of a cube is x cube. So therefore we get dv by dx is 3x square. And here we substitute x value. So x value is 3. So we get 3 into 9. It is 3 into 3 square. 3 square is 9. 9 into 3 is 27. So therefore dv by dx is 27. Next we have to find delta v value. Delta v can be written as delta v by delta x into delta x. And in approximation we write delta v by delta x as dv by dx. So therefore we get delta v equal to dv by dx into delta x. And here dv by dx is 27 and delta x value is 0.02. So which is 27 into 0.02 equal to 0.54. So therefore delta V. So delta V, error in the measurement of volume. Error in the measurement of volume is delta V. It is 0.54. But here question is to find percentage error. So that is you have to find percentage error. So now we have when x equal to 3, volume is 27. So here volume is 27 when x equal to 3. So we have to find percentage error. Now volume is 27. Error is 0.54. When volume is 27, error is 0.54. So we have to find for 100 it is how much? So therefore it is 100 into 0.54 divided by 27, or it is 0.54 into 100 divided by 27. So here we get 27 ones and 27 twos are, it is 0.02 into 100, it is 2. Therefore percentage error is 2%, which is option A. So here correct option is option A. So here error in the measurement is 0.54, but we have to calculate percentage error. So percentage error for 100. If volume is 27, error is 0.54. For 100 it is how much? So it is 100 into 0.54 divided by 27, which is 2. Therefore percentage error is 2%. So which is option A. So here correct option is option A. So that's all in this video. I will continue this chapter explanation in next video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe the channel for more video notification. Subscribe my YouTube channel, Aakruthi Mathematics Classes. Thank you once again.